Good morning, Flagler County. This is Sheriff Rick Staly with a COVID-19 update for Wednesday. Flagler County has seen a slight increase in cases, with about 9% of those tested resulting in a positive test for COVID-19. Thankfully, the number of people in Flagler County needing health care support to fight off the virus has not significantly increased, and only 12 people total have been hospitalized since this pandemic first began. Flagler County has now tested over 1,400 people, with more testing starting again today. The two big focuses for today's update are on the beaches and on testing. For the beaches, Flagler County government and Flagler Beach officials have again reduced the restrictions on the beach beginning today. You may now bring chairs and umbrellas, blankets, and may relax on the beach as long as you practice social distancing. Do not gather in groups of 10 or more and stay at least 6 feet away from others on the beach. The county has also reopened their parking and public restroom areas near the beaches. Mom and Dad, bring your kids to the beach, and if you go around lunchtime or dinner time, enjoy takeout from a nearby restaurant to support our local businesses. Flagler Beach officials are keeping their boardwalks, pier, and parking areas along the boardwalks closed in an effort to ensure social distancing. If you don't like this, call Flagler Beach. Remember, the Sheriff's Office does not make these rules, and we are only trying to keep you informed with this video. For any local questions in Flagler County, you can call the county's COVID-19 hotline at 313-4200. For testing, Flagler County Emergency Services has partnered with Advent Health Palm Coast at the Palm Coast campus of Daytona State College beginning today, and has switched from the nasal swab test to a spit test, which is much less invasive. It is also much quicker, which will allow more people to be tested each day. Testing will be available to anyone with symptoms or anyone who has had close contact with someone who tested positive for COVID-19. You do not need a doctor's order, but you do need to pre-register. In order to make an appointment for the testing, go online to the website you see on your screen or call 877-847-8747. Testing will run from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. on weekdays. There is no out-of-pocket cost for this testing. Advent Health will bill your insurance or cover the cost for those who are uninsured. Additional testing options are available by calling your primary health care provider, calling the Florida Department of Health in Flagler County, or calling any urgent care center. For health-related questions concerning COVID-19, please call the statewide COVID-19 hotline 866-779-6121. Need to renew or obtain a Florida concealed carry permit? Flagler County Tax Collector Suzanne Johnston will be opening their Flagler Beach office on Friday, May 1st from 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. for those wanting to get or renew a concealed carry permit. If you have any questions or to find out what you must bring, call them at 386-313-4160 or visit flaglertax.com. We're expecting additional information from Florida Governor Ron DeSantis today on further plans to reopen the state. From early information, we believe the governor will focus on 3 areas. First, a phased-in approach based on metrics. Second, special consideration for small businesses. And finally, clear, consistent guidance for all size businesses. Please continue to do your part to stop the spread by wearing a face mask and social distancing when out in public, and reduce unnecessary travel. Follow us to stay up to date on our social media platforms or at flaglersheriff.com/coronavirus. You can also download the Flagler County Sheriff's app in the App Store or Google Play to stay up to date. Have a great day.